Okay, so let's wrap up with the US pre-market movers and a few chart points.
Okay, well, one that took my eye was Barrick Gold. They reported last night and they missed Q1 earnings. They're down 1.56% prior to the market. And then another company that stood out, one that perhaps people aren't so familiar with, but a company called Container Store, who actually provide domestic and commercial storage solutions, literally plastic boxes to put your bits and pieces in. They've been really hurt by a strong US dollar. Yeah, big earnings miss, and particularly the dollar strength has bitten into their Nordic sales, and they're called down by 25% prior to the open today. And then in terms of looking at levels in our indices, slightly widened here. The S&P 2103 on the downside versus 2125 to the upside. The Dow 17,975 your downside level, and 18,110 the level to watch on the upside. A bit more upbeat in the currencies. Euro dollar, we're watching 108.46 on the downside, and a new big figure in the upside level here, 110.05. Aussie dollar, US dollar, we're looking at 78.40 to the downside and 79.40 on the upside, whilst in dollar yen the range is 118.50 on the downside, 119.40 on the upside, and in cable 150.170 is the downside, which was the low immediately after the GDP numbers, or 152.90 to the upside.
Okay, quite interesting. The euro US dollars trying to do, the levels are ticking up, aren't they?
And so is cable, surprisingly ahead of the election, but maybe that says more about dollar weakness than it does sterling strength, but we shall see.
Good point.